Alright guys, Trevor and I are leaving today. This is our last day with this beautiful view. I'm really gonna miss this water. It's so pretty. And the resort as a whole, we had a really good time. So right now, Trevor's in the shower. I just got out the shower. We have all our stuff packed. We had to fill out some departure papers. And the view is gonna be so missed. So we packed all this stuff. Those are my clothes to wear. Just got last minute things to grab. But yeah, it was fun. Alright guys, real quick, I just wanted to get a couple of pictures out here. We are dressed and we're getting ready to try to go to the Aviary. I didn't put on what I'm going to the airport all the way. I have on the bottoms, but not the top because it's a little hot and I didn't want to wear that sweatshirt or whatever. So I got on this dress. It's a really cute dress. Something like you can wear to work or whatever. I really, really like it. But yeah. Alright guys, it's our last day. We are on the elevator. We are headed down to try to do the aviary where you feed the birds. That'll be our last thing, maybe get something to eat, and then we'll be headed to the airport. We're about to say bye to our friend. Let's see if we can see him. If he'll come again. I think that's him right there eating. Wave at him. Did y'all see that? Do y'all see that? We have no food. We've never fed him before either.
Bye, Roscoe.
Bye. Till next time.
See you later, Jacob.
It's so pretty and green. And the ocean is right there. We're on our way to the sanctuary area. Well, the sanctuary is where the fish are. They're close, but we're going to the aviary with the birds. So the sanctuary is in there. As you can hear these birds.
About a lot of birds in here. There were 7 different species in total, close to 50. Feel free to walk around, see what we got, do some bird watching. Pictures and videos totally fine. We do offer a case where you can feed the parakeets that we got if you'd like. It's a little option. It's about $10 and you get 2 seed sticks, but that's if you want to. Other than that, feel free to walk around and see what we got. If you have any questions, just let me know.
It's a birdie. Yeah. I'm not seeing it here.
Sticking the ficus right here.
Okay.
We got close to 50 birds, so just get a blending in.
That's so pretty. Hi.
I got the seed sticks right here. Pretty much.
Are they gonna? Are you recording for Snapchat or something? No, huh? No, you're good. Yeah, so Nina's in here feeding the birds. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they like camouflaged in the trees. They like right there. Trevor, take a picture.
You sure?
Take a picture. Please.
I got you.
Well, you got 2 sticks. When you're ready for the next one, just let me know, okay?
Okay, thank you. Why is this one only doing it?
You might have to swing around so the others can see.
Okay. I don't want them to overpower me though.
So these ones are looking right here.
Oh, I'm a little scary too. Look at them. They want food, but they're kind of like hesitant. Aww.
Trying to get a portrait.
Thank you.
No problem.
This is such an experience. It's so freaking cool, y'all.
Water, y'all.
Last time Trevor and I were in this situation, we were in Cali and you were sitting by that thing and it was time to go, remember? When we were waiting on our airport pickup thing. I'm gonna show you the clip. I got you on Snap. But it is now time to go. I got my bun on my head. My hair looks like it's been wet. How was your trip?
I had fun. It was a freaking whole experience. Everything.
We saw a shark. We went jet skiing.
We saw a shark, snorkeling, underwater.
I fed birds.
Yeah, it was lit.
Jumped off a cliff type thing.
A lot of first times on this trip,
Yes.
for real.
It was so amazing, so wholesome. We will be back. We relaxed.
We even got like a mini cruise too.
Yes.
We went
And a tour.
snorkeling.
A tour from a
And a
local.
tour.
So we got a lot of experiences we did not even pay for or expect.
Man.
So I would say all in all, it's priceless. We would definitely do that.
Yeah. And I definitely want to travel to like, you know, some of the different Caribbean islands too.
Or even some of the other islands in Bahamas.
Yeah, because it's 700 islands in Bahamas.
Would have never known. But now that we're going home, there are so many things for us to look forward to, so many new starts. This is the perfect segue into the next chapter of our lives.
Right.
So we are so grateful for this experience. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more vlogs. Alright guys, we're in our airport. I just stopped over there. It's called Bahama Pearl and got some couple of souvenirs. And then we stopped here because this was the first Prime Minister. And we're on our way to departures. So there's a sign right here that says there's rum cake at this place. So I'll be going to get that. Alright y'all, we at the airport and I did end up getting the Bacardi cake. Me and Trevor are about to try it. And I also got this Gumbe punch. It just tastes like pineapple, there you go, Fanta.